All right, we're going to test the eufy vacuum cleaner from Anker versus M&Ms. You've got kids, I've got kids, they spill stuff, right? And so we'll test. Let's see how quick it can pick it up. I'm curious how it does against things that are a little bit weighted. So we will pour these out. And of course I gotta eat one first. Orange is my favorite. All right, let's go on low speed. Let's see. All right, done. Held the whole box in there. Now I'm gonna try it now. Whoa! I'm gonna try it now on the high speed, and I'm curious how fast the high speed will pick it up. Oh yeah, much better, no problem at all. Done. Matter of seconds, much quicker on the high speed. All right, looks like the eufy vacuum cleaner beats the head-to-head challenge against M&Ms.